Hello Kanmanis, now we'll see the first question from exercise 1.3. Let f is equal to order pair x comma y such that x comma y belongs to n, that is natural numbers, and y is equal to 2x. Be a relation on n, on a natural numbers, counting numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. Then find the domain, codomain and range. Is this relation of functions? We have to find out domain, codomain and range, and also we have to show this relation of functions. Okay, let's see what is given. Yeah, here given students, in this given is x comma y belongs to n, which means will belong to an 1 comma 2, which takes the values from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay, there is no n for that. We are considering only few values from that n. First, finding the elements related, the order pair x comma y. Then we will find out the domain, codomain, range, and we can say whether it is a function. So when x is equal to, taking 1, when x is equal to 1, y is equal to, what is there given? Y is equal to 2x as given. So in the place of x, substituting at 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. Then considering the next x value, when x is equal to 2, y can take value, y is equal to 2 into x. So 2 2's are 4. Okay, then we can take some more value. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2 into 3. 2 3's are 6. Is there an n for the natural numbers? No. So we can put dot 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 and so on. Okay, from this, how to find out the domain? From these students, the domain is an element of a from set. Yeah, domain, which means are the substituting elements, from elements. These are only known as a domain. Natural numbers, even we can say 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Or we can say it's a natural numbers. Okay, all the natural numbers. And then the codomain. Codomain, which is equal to a 2 set, y set elements. Yeah, here y set elements x comma y belongs to a natural numbers. So y is also a 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Even we can say that as a n. Okay, then the range. Range is equal to where the elements are associated, related. See, this 1 is related to 2. This 2 is related to 4. This 3 is related to 6. Okay, the getting answers from this given relation, y is equal to 2x, which satisfies 2, 4, 6. The even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Okay, 8, 10 and so on. These are known as a range. Then we have to show is this relation of functions. Let's see here in this, for each values of x we were getting only one value of a y, unique value of a y. Therefore this relation is a function. How to conclude? Here for each values of x belongs to a n, we get unique values, or we get only one value of y belongs to n. Okay, we are getting for each values of x 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on from the natural numbers. If you substitute in the given y is equal to 2x form, it satisfies, gives a different values, unique values Therefore, the given relation is a function. Therefore, the given relation is a function. Yes. For each values of x, there exists a unique image in a y. So, the given relation is a function. Thank you, Kanmanis.